Life is full of choices. Some impact us in the short term, and others have consequences that can stay with us. Meet CBA, a powerful tool that can help us reflect on the behaviors that shape our lives. Picture a 4-quadrant grid. In the first box, jot down the benefits of your addictive behavior. That's right, the benefits. Like alcohol might give you a nice buzz. Next to that, let's get real about the costs. What are the drawbacks of your addiction? Think hangovers or losing the trust of loved ones. Now, what good comes from not drinking? Maybe you're more reliable, a bit more honest with yourself. Lastly, consider the disadvantages of not drinking. You might feel alienated from some friends or miss out on the immediate stress relief. Take a look at your grid. Notice something? One of the biggest and most important takeaways from the top row is that the short-term perks are fleeting, maybe even imaginary. But engaging in addictive behavior? The downsides are real and long-term. On the bottom row, the benefits of not drinking are all long-term, and the costs are almost all short-term. The CBA is an excellent tool when starting your recovery journey and when an urge hits. It shows you the brighter future ahead or the ongoing consequences depending on your choices. Ready to make some healthier choices?